I think that being mission driven can be that meaning, and that was his original point, Joey's. And I completely agree with that, which is don't like find the the energy, if you will. Don't put your energy into the meme coin. Oh, it's just a cult of personality, and we're going to get rich. And oh, look, I'm part of this group of passionate people who care about the same things I do. It's all fugazi. It's not real. It's just people want to get rich, and they're pretending that it's a thing. And maybe they met friends along the way, right? The real value of the meme coin is the friends we made along the way. So maybe that's it. But this is about making it real. Solving real problems for the world, and therefore becoming an Apple-like cult, right? Because Apple, they always joke about being a cult. I'm not using that term literally. I'm being figurative, but it's a cult because they make good products that are easy to use for the tech less inclined or unsavvy to be able to do amazing things, and that's why they deserve it, right? They're not. Definitely not a meme coin. So you want something more like that, where there's value to be had. We're a little bit more technical than I'd argue than like using an Apple product, but we're trying to make it that simple to use things like Cash App. And Joey, by the way, if you don't know, I should have said that. He is the lead dev of Cash App, and so the whole user experience and everything, that's what it's about.